Thank you for choosing Lifeline Voice and Data as your new phone service provider. Let us show you some of the features of your new phone. Your phone screen will look different, but this overview will give you a basic idea of the features of your phone. All phones will be programmed with line buttons and park buttons. The remaining buttons can be tailored to meet the needs of your business. On the left-hand side of this model, you will see 3 call buttons, which are your individual extension buttons. These are listed 3 times so that each user essentially has their Line 1, Line 2, and Line 3 rollover system. This particular phone has an out-of-office toggle and an answering service toggle. Your buttons can be programmed to whatever you choose. On the right side of your screen, you will see 3 parking lots, or park buttons. Parking lots are an easy way to manage call overflow or to move a call to another user without the need to transfer. The light is green if the parking lot is empty, and it is red if there is a call parked in that slot. The button below the park buttons varies depending on the user. This particular phone shows extension 201. The green light next to this extension allows you to see his status. If the button is red, his line is in use. The last button will take you to the other available screens. We can program speed dial buttons that quickly call other extensions, queues, or frequently dialed phone numbers. This particular phone only has 2 screens, but we can program your phone to have up to 3 screens. Now let's take a look at the soft keys along the bottom of the screen. They offer quick options when you need them and will change when you are on a call. When the phone is idle, you will see History, Directory, D&D, and Menu. History shows all calls, missed calls, placed calls, received calls, and forwarded calls. Use the directional pad to scroll through each section. It isn't necessary to clear the calls because the phone will delete the oldest events when the list becomes full. A flashing red light at the top of your phone indicates a missed call or a voicemail. Directory is where you will see each phone book. Again, use the directional pad to scroll through the list to find the desired party. D&D means Do Not Disturb. When this is pressed, all calls that would have been sent to this extension will be sent to voicemail. This feature is useful during meetings or any situation that requires your dedicated focus. The final soft key is the menu button. There are a lot of features on the menu, one of which is the status feature. If at any time your phone has no service, you can check here to see if your phone is pulling an IP address. If this line is blank, you are not connected to the network. Many of the features in the menu can also be found on the face of the phone, such as the history and directory. Below the screen, you have physical buttons. On the left is your keypad used for dialing. In the middle is the directional pad used for navigating the soft keys and selecting options inside of the soft keys as you saw when scrolling through the history. X ends the call or takes you back to the main screen. This is your volume control. If the phone is idle, this will set the ringtone volume. If you are on a call, you can increase the volume. On the right are additional function keys. The message button allows access to the voicemail system. The headset button enables or disables the headset. The conf or conference button allows you to make a conference call. The hold button places the call on hold. The mute button disables the microphone. The tran or transfer button serves 2 functions. When idle, it provides a quick way to forward your extension. When on a call, it functions as a transfer button. The RD button is your redial button that will show the recent calls that were placed by taking you back to the history. The final button places a call on speakerphone. To answer a call, pick up the handset or press the speaker icon to use the speakerphone. To make an outside call, dial the number or select the number from the directory and either lift the receiver or hit the speakerphone. The call will automatically dial. If you lift the receiver or press the speaker button before dialing, you will need to press call or let the call dial automatically after several seconds. To call extensions or queues internally, dial the 3-digit extensions or queue numbers using the same steps I just mentioned, or press the button for that extension or queue if listed, or use the directory to locate the extension. To place an active call on hold, you can press the physical button described earlier or newly visible soft key. To place another call while a call is on hold, just press one of the free call buttons and place the call. Any call that has been placed on hold must resume on the same phone. Parking a call is just as easy. While on an active call, press one of the parking lot buttons. You can resume this call on any phone. Callers on hold or on park will hear on-hold music. We at Lifeline Voice and Data can personalize your on-hold music or add announcements. This is a good place to advertise products and services you offer. There are two types of transfer calls: blind transfer and attended transfer. Blind transfer will blindly send the call to the target. While on an active call, press the transfer soft key or transfer physical key, enter the number, queue, or extension you want to transfer to, and press B transfer key. The call will send immediately. Attended transfer allows you to talk to the person before handing the call off to them. While on an active call, tap the transfer soft key or the physical transfer key. Enter the number or extension you want to transfer to, and press call or send. At this point, you can announce the caller to the second party. Press the transfer key if second party can accept the call, or if they decline the call, press end call. At this point, you may resume call, or you can transfer the call to the voicemail of the intended party. Transfer a call to voicemail by pressing transfer, then dial *97 followed by the extension, then press B transfer. While on an active call, press the conference soft key. The call is placed on hold. Enter the number of the second party and press send. Press the conference key again when party answers. All parties are joined. Press cancel key to disconnect. Another way to conference is using a conference bridge. This is recommended for 3 or more callers. Parties may call into the conference bridge by dialing 150 during the menu, or they may be transferred to the bridge by the operator. Internal users can dial 150 to enter the conference. You can have 10 people in a bridge at a time. To check personal voicemail, press the message button on your phone and follow prompts to retrieve voicemail. If asked to enter a password, unless you have changed the password, you will enter 99 followed by the extension. You can change your password at any time. For changing the outgoing message that callers will hear when leaving a voicemail, press the message button on your phone. Enter a password if prompted. Press 0 when the automated voice begins and follow the prompts. It is here that you can also change your password. If you have any questions or concerns about your new phone and/or phone service, please call our office at 731-588-4200. Thank you again for choosing Lifeline Voice and Data as your new phone provider.
For your business, we don't just provide a phone line, we provide a lifeline. Lifeline voice and data.